Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Ethereum price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna see Ethereum, what we might expect after this drop. We're still in this corrective wave as an A, B, and a C, that it can still be unfolding for a wave C in a 1, 2, 3, and then wave 4 and wave 5 might still, of course, looking for lower prices. Now, there is a probability for bullish in case that we're done correcting here as WX and a wave Y. Your wave Y is also a zigzag here, the same as for the W in case this is the case. And then we are looking for double 1, 2 here, and then wave 3 to unfold toward the upside. Let's dive inside this price on the 1-hour chart here, and we'll see, of course, much more clearer what we might expect over there. So basically, we are looking right now for this potential 1, 2. We have 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for another expanding diagonal wave 1 again, and then wave 2 as a potential A, B, and a C, and we're looking for something to push toward the upside. This is as a bullish scenario that it might unfold a wave 3. That means you are required here to be in a 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 towards higher prices. However, when you take a look at this structure here, you will see clearly 3 waves toward the upside, which is a question mark. Why we have 3 waves, and we cannot be really impulsive toward the upside again. Otherwise, therefore, we can still be in double 1, 2, and then we're looking for wave 3 toward the downside to unfold here after a potential correction. Can be a W, an X, and a wave Y here, and then pushing in a wave 3, 4, and a 5, and then 4 and a 5, of course, because you have double 1, 2. That will bring us, of course, for lower prices, finishing up a wave 5 in case that we're still looking here for a wave 5, meaning this wave 4. I'm going to put it in brackets, by the way. So this might still be unfolding as a wave 5 and a wave C to finish a wave 2. However, if you take a look closer, you are already at the 0.786 here, which it can be already, I mean, this should be already the potential of a corrective wave 2 pushing for higher, unless we take the 886. If we take the 886, this will be a red flag, of course. Our bull run trigger can still be by taking this low inside this area, but preferably to not take the 886. Now, even if we take the 886, let's say it happens, it still can be possible to push higher here as a diagonal, meaning that this wave 1, 2 there, 1, 2 can be a diagonal, and then wave 3, wave 4, and a 5 in a large diagonal toward the upside here. Unfolding, of course, don't forget that we still need something to finish up as 5 waves. So it can be the 5 waves transition here into kind of like diagonal. Yeah. So very likely that this can be a possible scenario. However, the key level to be watched, they are very, very essential. Those key level currently we are ranging between the bullish and the bearish still. This is your bullish range confirmation, and you have the bearish range confirmation over here. That means currently the price is still ranging in between. But if we take the pre-confirmation, what does it mean pre-confirmation? That means invalidation of the first 1, 2 there. This because we might be in double 1, 2. This 1, 2 here, if we take the high and we continue for higher, 2,197, that means that this 1, 2 is eliminated. But you might still have the potential of an A, B, and a C in a wave 2, meaning 1, A, B, C expanding flat wave 2, and then pushing toward the downside without confirming a high. That means this range still can have one possibility, which it can be an ABC expanding flat and then pushing down later on. Therefore, the 100%, I would say, or let's say 99% confirmation that we're looking for something for higher is taking exactly the 2,389. What does this mean? It means that, yes, once you take it, you are looking for something very, very high and very likely the new all-time high. It can be a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4 and a 5, or it can be a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, another 5 wave structure, then ABC wave 2 coming back to this zone, which is still bullish, and then pushing for higher in a massive wave 3. In case we take the low and we keep ranging inside this area here and we push for a new low, 1942 is another pre-confirmation here for lower, and the 99% I would say confirmation for lower is taking exactly this low over there. Why? Because it invalidates the 1-2. If you invalidate a 1-2 here, both 1-2 are eliminated. And of course, in this case, I would say it's very far possibility to get a wave 1 ABC, so very, very far. So I would say that the pre-confirmation is almost even a confirmation for lower, but if you want to make it, of course, much more precise, yes, we want to take exactly this confirmation for lower. Yeah. Now, pre-confirmation can be because, yeah, you might take the 1-2-1-2 here without taking the high and then simply pushing for lower. So very interesting. The key level to be watched are very, very important. If we break them, very likely that we might continue for higher. But be careful, we are in a very, very critical area here, especially with a finished impulse, meaning if we are in an ABC 3 waves, wave B finished, and you are looking here for a potential finished impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, it can be, of course, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, one more high, meaning very likely to take this high as pre-confirmation, but it can be as well W, X, and a wave Y. Be careful, and we might push towards the downside. So yeah, very likely that we are still bearish as well. And also, I cannot yet confirm that we are going very bullish. Things are still in between those ranges, guys. We need to break one of them, and then we confirm whether we are bullish or bearish. And this means not really bullish for few hours or 1 day. We're talking here about a massive bull run or a deeper correction as a bear market. Yep, that was it for Ethereum. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.